there! Me and my friend Cuddles were just getting ready for bed. Say hi to the kids, Cuddles! Cuddles, would you like to read a bedtime story? He does want to read a bedtime story. Which bedtime story would you like to read, Cuddles? Goodnight Train? Okay, let's read it together. You sit right here, Cuddles. This book is called The Goodnight Train. The Goodnight Train gets set to roll. It's being shined and filled with coal. Wash the cars off with a hose. Scrub the engine's dirty nose. Scrub-a-dubba, 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 toot, toot. All aboard! The sun goes down. The Goodnight Train is leaving town. Find your sleepers, grab your teddy, climb right up. Your bed is ready. All tucked in, the porter cries. Pillows fluffed, now close your eyes. Wheels are turning, smoke drifts high, painting clouds up in the sky. Huff-a-puff-a, 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 choo-choo. Slumber, lumber up the hill. Cars climb slowly up until... Roll the corner, rock the curve. Blankets bounce with every swerve. Rocka, 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 shh, shh. Fly through a tunnel black as ink, in and out before you blink. Catch that freight train whizzing past. The Goodnight Train is moving fast. Choo, choo. Cars sway on the wooden track. Wheels go click and wheels go clack. Glide across a plain so flat, gently toss this way and that. Click-a-clack, 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 click-a-clack. Curl through farms of fuzzy sheep, the sleepy train slows to a creep. Pushing towards the station's light, cars crawl on with all their might. Chug, 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 chug. Sweet dreams ahead, the porter sighs. The tired train can close its eyes. Home at last, tucked in and snug, the engine snores a final chug. Husha, 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 sleep, sleep. Good night, train. Good night. Cuddles, say goodnight to the train. Well, I better put Cuddles to sleep. I'm already in my jammies, but he has to get in his. Good night, you guys.